Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this video on how to find the best penny stocks to buy. This video is going to be more on giving you some tips on what to look for and how to find them, not specifically on which penny stocks to buy in particular. And there's a reason for this. So again, it's very important to learn how to trade, what to look for when purchasing a stock on your own rather than mirror trading other traders, because that's where that whole pump and dump scheme comes in. So you'll see lots of traders out there, talking about, oh, buy ABC stock, right? Well, why are they doing that? Now, there could be several different things behind that. Maybe some of them have good intentions and they want to help you to make money, but many of the times behind the scenes, they might have a position in that company and they're pumping it up to other people. And that's why you'll see lots of chat rooms and newsletters and stuff like that online, because you have these companies and these pump and dumpers that pump these stocks to other people and then they end up dumping them, right? And there's a lot of trading companies out there that'll pump and dump indirectly to their own followers, and they look like heroes, right? So they'll buy a stock, the stock goes and it rips. They already have a position before their followers. Their followers come and jump in, which creates, again, lots more volume coming in, which hits the scanners, right? And then other people around the world start to buy, and it kind of indirectly pushes the stock up. And then that trader or company will sell the stock, and they don't know. They could be selling it to their followers at tops, right? And then the stock ends up dumping down. That's where you have to be very, very careful. And that's why I want to teach you some of the things to look for, to purchase, these stocks yourself, teach you the skill set rather than just telling you specific stocks and which ones to buy. So again, I can't stress enough to be very weary of the chat rooms and the newsletters. So when you're out there and you're seeing this stuff, do your research on these companies and traders. Make sure the trader or the company that's pumping a stock is a legitimate company. So as far as penny stocks goes, what's considered a penny stock is any stock that's under $5. Now, when you're looking to trade penny stocks, it's very important to look for stocks that are traded on a major exchange. You want to be very careful of OTC or over-the-counter stocks or pink sheets. Those are the stocks that are under $1. You'll see many of those companies, they're really shady. Be careful of like the name changes too. You might have something that say, especially in the marijuana sector, the pot stock marijuana sector, you'll have companies that might be named, let's say, cannabis today, but 2 or 3 years ago, they may have been a car parts company or some other random company. But a lot of the traders, they'll get deceived because it'll have a name of a sector like marijuana or cannabis in its name, but it doesn't have a good history. And those sub $1 stocks on those over-the-counter or pink sheet companies or exchanges, those are ones you have to be very careful. They're extremely volatile. You can make money trading them, but if you're just trying to look to kind of get in and like, hey, I have this, tell me where to buy, right? Buy this, tell me what cheap stock to buy so I can buy and hold it and become a millionaire in whatever, a year or two. It's just not going to happen. And that's unfortunately the trap that most new traders or that come into the penny stock arena get caught up in. They're looking for somebody to tell them something that's going to make them rich, and that's not going to be the case when trading stocks. You have those occasional, people that get lucky, but that's not the way people make money trading penny stocks. The way people make money with penny stocks is, again, they trade them. Or there's a lot of traders out there that will buy and hold them, but they know where to buy, right? That's why it's extremely important to do your own due diligence and research. You want to research company fundamentals. You want to see things like news or case studies, or, if it's a biotech company, is news going to be coming out? Or are they going to partner with another company? Getting in ahead of time before that news hits and the company or the stock skyrockets, right? So that's where it's important to do your fundamental research, which is researching the company history as well as the technical analysis, right? So you want to know the technical. Now, the reason why you want to know technical analysis is because you want to know where to buy and where to sell, right? The whole fundamental way to make money with the stock market or trading any types of stocks is you want to buy low and sell high. So you want to buy at support levels, sell at resistance levels. And especially with penny stocks, because of their volatility, you need to know the technicals so you get the right entry so you're not buying at tops of these stocks where they're getting dumped to most of the newer traders that don't know what they're doing. Something that's very important to look for when trading penny stocks is the float of a stock. Float is the number of shares of the company that's able to be traded. So the low float equals low volatility, or equals high volatility, right? So low float, that means if there's not a lot of shares to be traded within a company, that means there's high demand but low supply. So when people buy and sell shares, because there's not a lot available, if there's a high demand, you create that really high volatility within the stock. And that's what's notoriously known in the industry as the pump and dumps, right? These stocks that might rip from 30 cents to $5 and then they dump back down to 50 cents, right? Not saying to not trade them. However, the key is trading them or getting a very good entry on them before the pump so you can stay in longer. The problem is most new traders come in, they're looking to hit home runs, they want somebody to tell them how to become a millionaire, and it's just not going to happen. And that's why these chat rooms and these services pump up these stocks, and then they end up dumping to the suckers that come in that are new to the industry. Now, high float stocks, those are stocks that have a lot more shares to be able to be traded, so the volatility is less. So low float stocks are higher volatility and higher reward. So high risk, high reward. That's for low floats. And high float stocks are lower volatility, so lower risk, lower reward. Now, it's important to find a good scanner like Trade Ideas. So when you're searching for these penny stocks, Trade Ideas is a great scanner to look for, or to basically scan the markets. There's so many different filters that you can look at. Here's an example of what Trade Ideas looks like. Again, it's our favorite scanner. It's fully customizable. We teach you how to, go through all this stuff on our website. I'll put the review to Trade Ideas below. But again, you can customize this the way you'd like. Again, market's open right now, so you can see so many different screens. It could be very overwhelming if you're new. That's why you don't have to have all these screens. Each one does a specific a scan for penny stocks, or you can even do it again with mid cap, large cap stocks as well. So again, knowing this stuff and what, each column is, it takes some time to learn, but it's very important so you can customize it and scan to find the best setups that you're looking for. Another good resource you can go to is bullishbears.com. That's our website. Each night you'll see under lists here, we'll put the links below for both our Trade Ideas review and our watch list, but you'll see on our website we do post a day trade and a swing trade watch list each night over here. So we update on this page right here our list of penny stocks of what to watch for the next day. So you'll see each day these change. And you'll see, again, depending on what's moving. So we'll put something, on at night that we're looking for to potentially break out or so the next day. So these are, again, a watch list. Just because they're on there doesn't mean to trade them, right? That's why you want to learn the technicals. So you'll see that's where we post our watch list each night. And then each morning we post Trade Ideas gappers. So you'll see what's moving in the morning. So again, what you put on a watch list at night might not be what's moving in the morning. So you want to have a combination of both, right? So you'll have something being prepared going into the morning and then see what's running in the morning. And then you filter down your watch list in the morning. So when you're trading these penny stocks, new ones move every single day. So if you're looking to day trade them, that's where it's very important to watch these or to look at our list, follow these lists, and kind of look at the price action each day. If you're looking to swing trade them, again, there's a different skill set that you'll learn. Still very important to look at our watch list and gappers because it enables you to potentially get a better position if you know your technical analysis. And then if you get a better entry, then you're able to hold potentially longer once you know your technical analysis. So again, we can't stress enough to learn how to trade yourself. Do not mirror trade other traders. If you're new, it's okay to mirror trade and follow other traders. If you're practicing in a paper account or a virtual account, don't follow other traders and copy their trades with real money until you know how to trade. That might discourage a lot of people watching this because they want somebody to just tell them what to do. But that's, I'd rather have you get mad at me and not follow us and save your brokerage account than, get caught up in some scam or some sucker that, or get suckered into following a trade somebody's telling you to buy and then blow up your account, which happens all of the time in the industry. So if you're new to the industry or new to stock market and you want to learn penny stocks, again, this stuff might be a little bit of jargon or mumbo jumbo if you're listening to it. And that's why we teach you in our community what to look for with trading penny stocks. We also teach, regular swing trading, options trading, futures, all that good stuff. So on our website that I just showed you, we also have some free courses that you can take to help you get started. And we also have a trade room where you can come in each day where you can learn things like day trading, swing trading, penny stocks, futures, options, all of that good stuff. Again, the link will be below, or you can head over to bullishbears.com. So as always, if this video helped you, we would greatly appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, like us on social media, and share it out to the world. If you found it helpful, we would greatly appreciate it. So hopefully this video helped you, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.